Hell no. Hell no.
Where's Da Vinci?
Working a 9 to 5, I had to go and feed the guys. Nobody did it right, I had to show them how to grind. I had to beat the odds, this is the life I live for God. Taking a step at a time, we going up, we headed to Mars. Taking them chances, making decisions, you know I'm never gonna lie.
Yeah, 17.
Cause I know my candy.
Like that, the 17s.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're just compatible with everything. Here you go. I have a MOA red dot coming in for that.
Yeah.
And a rail, because I want to get a laser and a light for it. Mainly the light.
Let me see if I got a picture of it.
It's just a speed loader.
Yeah, I want to get one of those speed loaders. I said, man.
Yeah, you got to get the hang of it.
Yeah, what time I can get a hang of it?
Put it in. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's like you gotta get the hang of it, and then it's like it's simple after that. It's just like
Easy.
I see.
Okay.
But you see, after a while, they are helpful.
Yeah, I saw you hit it. Hell no.
Push up. Pull the hammer back. It's got a double safety on it. There you go.
Yeah, I'm about to make him disappear. I don't wanna see no tears. This is only the beginning. Losing is my only fear. Take some time away from my peers. Started working hard for my career. Now it's safe to say a lot of clear. Yeah, I'm the rookie of the year. 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 Yeah, I'm the rookie of the year. Took some time away from all my peers. Started working hard for my career. Now it's safe to say a lot and clear. Yeah, I'm the rookie of the year. Time is money, like I got a rollie on me, so I gotta make it count. Some homies switched up on me, that don't matter to me, I'm just trying to make it out. Coming straight up out the ground, tell them I don't play around. They claiming that they got the loud, but I don't hear them, they ain't making a sound.